Alright, here we go again. Test number 2. South River Municipal Boat Club. Boat ramp, I apologize. Not boat clubs. This is the South River. That's Pacers Park. This is the South River mouth of the canal. There goes the boat. Let me get away from that guy. Head towards South River to town of. Wow, a lot of shit. Running good. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in the water, so this has always been a challenge in this river. It's not the small things you got to worry about, it's the big stuff like logs. There's logs that float in here that look like a stick and it'll wind up being like half a tree. You hit that, it'll put a hole in your hull. Yeah, at best. It could be worse too, you know. It could stop you and throw you overboard. If you're on a wave runner, which I've never been on this river in a wave runner, then it can be a little ugly. But this right here is the South River Boat Club. I made it up here like, I don't know, a minute or 3. I'm gonna shoot up to the back side of the park where the baseball fields are behind Grekowski, and then I'll kill this video there. So some people may or may not know, I know some of my crew know, I took this thing out the other day at low tide, and the knowledge of the river as I know it has changed immensely since the last time I was out at low tide over there. And I buried this thing in like a foot of water. It took me like 2 hours to get this thing to the point where I could actually get it to shore. And it appears, I mean, I'm gonna have to go to a different app and see what my speed is, but it appears I might have lost like 5 miles an hour on it, so I don't know if I got something in the intake or not. I thought I cleaned everything out, but I might actually have to do a full disassembly. So we'll see. My temperature's fine, which is good. That's really the most important thing. But I'm gonna change the app right now. We'll see. A lot of stuff here, man. Holy crap. I think I used Waze, believe it or not, last time, and I just use it as a speed reference. 25 miles an hour. I'm past the boat club. I'm not past the no wake sign, but yeah, formalities. This back here is the affectionately known South River Beach. Right now it's high tide, so you can't really see much of it, but this is like the only area that I know of that's actually sandy on the river. And that's the backside of the baseball fields over there. So you can walk down here. I don't know if anybody noticed, but there's some fish jumping quite a bit in some of the areas I just passed. There's some areas over there to the left-hand side of me on the bank. There's some chairs set up. People come down here and fish. This section of the river is brackish, which means it's a mixture of salt and fresh water. There's actually a boat club all the way up by the end of Bordentown Avenue that, you know, it's a great spot if you just want to be on the water, I guess. But if you want to get the bay, it's a long ride. There's a fish that just jumped over there. So plenty of fish here. That'll be the next conquest I send my kids to. I just got to make that. There you go, jumping again. Right in front of me. So they're here. Another one over there. Yeah, that looks like bunker, actually. Yeah, something's chasing. All right, peace out, peoples.